Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and OMG, y'all, we have so much to talk about. We have a huge surprise penny list. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below, and it is absolutely free. You know what else is free? Hitting that thumbs up button and leaving a smile down in the comment section below. That's a quick and easy way that y'all can help support this channel. And then if you have an extra second, go ahead and share the video. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, first up, I do want to go ahead and remind you all that I have already uploaded 2 other Dollar General videos for you all today on Saturday. So first up, we have our 5 off $25 scenario video with 5 crazy amazing deals. Then I've also already uploaded the new clearance markdown and penny list video, and it is going to be an epic week for clearance and penny shopping at DG. All right, now let's go ahead and talk about this surprise penny list. First of all, y'all need to remember that we do not ask employees about penny items. That is the #1 rule to penny shopping. All you have to do is go into the store, look for the items that I'm going to show you all in this video, scan the item with your Dollar General app, and make sure that you have your correct store location set, because as with all penny and clearance items, your miles may vary. If the item scans at 000 or 001, that means that you have in fact found a penny item. All right, now I'm going to need you all to listen closely, especially if you are new to penny shopping. So this list is kind of a different list. In this video, we are going to be going over items that are going to be found in the freezer section. And all of these items are going to be a huge "your miles may vary," meaning that all of the items could have already pennied out at your store. Some of the items might be a penny. Some of the items might still be full price. All of the items might still be full price at your store. So what you're going to need to do is to take the UPC codes that I'm going to give you all in this video and type those into your Dollar General app and see if the items have in fact pennied out at your stores around you. So y'all can do that at home before you leave the house, because we all know gas is expensive right now, and I don't want anybody running around looking for these penny items if they haven't in fact pennied out at your stores. Now, if you type in those UPCs and it shows up 000 or 001, you better throw on your running shoes, grab your car keys, and head on out the door and scan before you go up to the register. Now, if these items haven't pennied out at your store just yet and they're still showing full price for you in the app, I want you to take a note, save this video to your phone, send it to yourself in a text message. That way you can come back and reference it later. You can even take screenshots, take notes, whatever you need to do. And then I want you guys to start checking these UPC codes every Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. I think in general, everybody says that the frozen food items penny out on Mondays, but it does vary from store to store. So again, the main thing to remember is if these items are regular price, you're going to need to make a note, set an alarm, do something to remind yourself that you need to check back again on these UPC codes every week until they penny out, because they will eventually penny out at all the stores. All right, now let's go ahead and take a quick look at all the items that are included on this list. So first up, we have the Totino's Pizza Rolls 50 count. We have the pepperoni and the cheese. We also have several of the Perdue chicken products. So here we have the Dino chicken nuggets. We also have the Perdue boneless buffalo wings, as well as the Perdue crispy chicken strips, 26-ounce bags. Then we also have the Perdue Original Chicken Nuggets 29-ounce bags. I believe I have the wrong picture on this one, but I will post the correct one in the community tab. Next up, we have the Smithfield Power Bites, the Supreme, and the sausage. All right, next up, we have the Tyson Anytizer Homestyle Chicken Fries. We also have the Donut Time Glazed Donuts 6 count, as well as the Super Pretzel Frozen Baked Soft Pretzels 13-ounce box. Then we have the Grown in Idaho Mashed Potatoes Golden Supreme. We also have the Grown in Idaho Hash Browns, as well as the Grown in Idaho Mashed Potatoes Homestyle Bags 24-ounce. All right, next up, I'm sure I'm going to say these names wrong, but I'm going to give it a try anyways. We've got the Michelangelo's Frozen Dinner. We also have several of the Michelina's dinners. We've got the Meatball Marinara Bowl. We also have the Chicken Alfredo with Broccoli Bowl. Moving on, we have the DiGiorno pizzas. These are really exciting. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I can find some of these. We've got the Supreme. We've got the 3 meat. We also have the cheese pizza, all rising crust. Then we also have the Red Baron fully loaded Supreme pizza, as well as the Red Baron fully loaded pepperoni pizza. All right, next up, we also have the 12-inch Clover Valley pizzas. We have the cheese pizza as well as the pepperoni pizza. We also have the Totino's Party Pizza. This is the triple pepperoni pizza. Then we also have several different Hot Pockets, so you can pick up the steak and cheddar, 2 count. We also have the 4 cheese pizza, 2 count. We also have the Italian-style meatballs and mozzarella sandwiches, 2 count. Then we have a couple of the breakfast ones. We've got the sausage, egg, and cheese croissant, as well as the Applewood bacon, egg, and cheese croissant. All right, next up we have the Smucker's Uncrustable sandwiches, the strawberry and peanut butter. We also have these Pagoda Buffalo chicken egg rolls, as well as Miss T's Pierogies Classic Cheddar. I'm sure I'm saying that wrong. Next, we have the Tasty Choice Shrimp. We have the white shrimp, as well as the raw and easy peel shrimp. Next up, we have the Jimmy Dean Biscuit Roll-Ups. We also have some Eggo waffles. So we've got the Kellogg's Eggo waffles with Fruit Loops. Now, if you can find these, we do have a 1-off-1 digital coupon right now. So pick up one, use your digital, and that is going to make it completely free, plus give you 99 cents in overage. Now, keep in mind, the overage will only work if you are at a store with the older registers. If you are at a store with the newer registers, it's just going to make the item completely free. All right, next up, we also have the 12-ounce Smithfield sausage patties, as well as several of the Rayburn's Rise and Shine breakfast sandwiches. This one is with the biscuit. We also have the maple pancake sandwich. We also have the maple waffle sandwich. And then last but certainly not least, we have the English muffin sandwich. All right, guys, so there you have it for all of our surprise pennies. Now, don't forget to look up those UPCs before you head out the door. Make sure that they have, in fact, pennied out at your store before you leave, because we don't want to waste any gas money. But if you're out shopping today doing your 5 off $25 scenarios, go ahead and swing through the frozen section and see if you spot any of these items and scan, scan, scan. And of course, please come back and let me know if you score. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stay tuned, because I have several more videos to upload for you all this weekend. And don't forget to go back and check out the other 2 videos that I've already uploaded for you all today on Saturday. Those will be linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. And before you go, of course, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.